guys, I'm gonna go upstairs now. Junior, this is what I was telling you. You put this inside of a center.
In the middle of the house.
Yeah.
Like in the middle of the big.
Yeah, this nice. Okay, so there's small.
All of my tile, you know, you can buy it now, you go to the kitchen.
Even this, them here, they look unique.
Right.
Yeah.
So when you see them are just shit and
Mm. Okay, tile seal with something made in Italy, Junior. Look, this. It's made in Italy.
Yeah, they're design.
Wow.
You know, find them at the
They know that me I try to tell you.
Italian. Purple blue.
Mm. So we're looking at tiles today. Oh my God, they are so good. Wow. Wow. And these ones with the design on it that says made in Italy. Yeah. Oh my God. So good. So we're looking at some. Okay. This one is so nice. And look at this. That is really. This is so nice as well. I like this. This one I like. So nice. Yeah. So which one you looking at? So you want that we saw the other day? Nice, isn't it? You know? And the white one, look. Nice man. I like these.
Price per square.
So they're longer than the ones we have. So some of it upgrade, you know. Jesus, look at this. Are they trying to show you that you could do your place like this?
Yeah,
To different.
it's not very design, but if you do the kitchen now, because the kitchen now will have the whole of this, maybe half. Because like 18 inches from the worktop to under the extractor fan. So you're not going to have so much of it.
I know it's not going to have so much, but it
Yeah,
would
yeah.
look like that. But you'd have to, because what happened with this, you can choose any. Yeah.
But you can buy like 2 boxes of tile, like you choose a color. Like you have this and you have
And you mix it.
something else.
You have to look at the shade here, so. Junior, look, so then put it here, so. Then put them here, so you look and see which shade you like. If you like it with the blue, or you don't put it with the white.
The blue. What I use this.
I think you could mix it
The
with
blue is
something.
nice to the riverside, and that's like a holiday.
Yeah.
You mix and drop in something else.
Yeah.
So you have to buy like 3 boxes.
Nice. These ones are really nice.
Because we don't do something like this and just grow it with like grey and use the grey for kill out it. And drop 1 and 2 different colour in it.
Okay.
Me no really want to look like this.
Yeah.
like straight of that and drop maybe one or a piece.
This one, these two short for me. Like the one we have now. This one's slightly too small. Look at this new design. Take the picture. Take the video of that because you can change the design and put it in this style. You see it? And look at this. New style how they sort of laying them, but I still like this style. These longer ones. That design over there, but this one is really nice. And this color. Price £41 per tile piece. 94 pence. 94 pence. Per piece, the one. That's a bit. I really like this one, yeah, and it's antique bone. Yes, yes, really nice, yeah. So guys, we'll go upstairs now. To see what they've got up there. So guys, come with me. These are like mirrors. Wow, this is bathroom, guys. Oh my god. No, sir. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. So we went to, this is the bathroom section. Oh my gosh, I feel, oh, wow. So nice. Look at, I haven't seen the comb. Oh, see, Teddy. This, look, this is a new thing, you know, chrome. This is it, mate. Yeah, me know, but me I thought this. Oh, because this new. Oh, This is how the floor will look when you put this tile in the center. It just looks absolutely nice. Oh my god, them are these ones ring. Very, very close them. What about this one? But this was where we bought the other ones?
No.
I like this more.
I don't very use.
So this is the one that we've got, or look different. It look a little bit different.
Color different, but I see color.
Oh, but nothing wrong with it. It's only that the other one softer. This is a little bit harder. Yeah. Okay, we finished tile shopping.